Hello, everyone. We're going to talk about health psychology today. And as I mentioned when I talked to you about clinical psychology, I have a lot of experience in this area. I have worked with pre-surgical bariatric patients. I have worked doing rounds in a hospital. We typically saw anyone who came in with drugs or alcohol in their system. We saw anyone who may have tried to commit suicide, things along those lines. I have also done work with spinal cord injury patients, blind rehab patients, med rehab patients, so patients that have hip replacements, recovery from a heart attack, what have you there. And then I've also done traumatic brain injury work with individuals as well, and worked in a clinic for HIV/AIDS patients, worked in a clinic for MS patients, and also worked in a breast cancer clinic with the newly diagnosed. So just my experience, which is just really a small portion of what health psychologists do, show you that there's a wide range of opportunities here for you if you're interested in health and psychology and how they intersect. So individuals who work in these fields may be integrated into a primary care clinic. They may work in a hospital setting on interdisciplinary teams. They may have their own private practice treating these types of issues, or they may be doing research, either basic or applied research. Basic research would be sort of looking at risk and protective factors for things, or how certain interventions for applied research kind of help here. So I had a friend in grad school that one of her main projects was looking at how mindfulness meditation helps cardiac rehab patients, not only with their stress, but also it lowered things like blood pressure. This is really one of the cutting edge areas of psychology. This is where a lot of psychologists are going to be finding new jobs, both again in the research and the applied fields. And this is a really good field to get into, especially if you're interested in, again, medicine or working in these types of settings or working with people on the intersection of their physical and mental health. So again, just a brief overview of everything health psychologists can do. There's a lot of great videos with brief descriptions of all the things health psychologists can do in your resources. So I really recommend that you check those out as well. And I hope that you enjoy learning more about what a health psychologist does.